So today I'll be showing you how to connect an external USB microphone like this one to your Galaxy A27 5G. Now, this should be very simple. Now, depending on what USB connector your microphone has, dictates whether this process is going to be simple or it's going to need one extra step. Now, if you have a Type-C connector on your USB microphone, then you just plug it in straight to the Type-C port on your phone. If not, then you do need an OTG adapter. So that's basically a Type A with a Type C connector. So this adapter, you plug in the microphone to the adapter, then the adapter with the microphone into the Type C port of your Galaxy A27. Simple as that. So now that should be the active microphone. I'm going to test that in the screen recorder app. So you go to uh, Samsung and go to voice recorder app. Voice recorder. And you can see it already says external mic will be used as the default microphone. So while using the app, allow, and now whenever you're recording, it's recording with the external microphone, as you can see. Thanks for watching and good luck.